Knocking on the garage door. At least that's what Ryan told me.
She still thinks Chris is over here, right?
She still thinks Chris and Kevin Webby are over here.
Where is Kevin Webby?
He left.
Yeah. What a fruit.
We'll wait on him there.
Oh, okay. Nobody said that.
Do you think he'd stick around for the 2 hours you guys are around?
Yeah, seriously. I was kind of pissed at that too.
Yeah,
So I really want to be gone.
Yeah, I didn't really want that one either.
What are we doing?
Kill the lights!
What's our plan? Yeah, should we all kill the lights and let's all get behind the cars?
Wait, you guys can all hide back here. I'll just open the door and then like 20 people can pour out. Get out.
Get back here.
No, get back here.
Yeah, I'll open the door.
Windows are probably out here.
We did good.
Where are we hiding? I don't know.
It's the best idea I think.
We stand in front of the car so you can't see the car.
Are you turning the lights on?
Yeah, let's just, we can all stand around.
Oh, okay, whatever. This call Ryan.
Hey, I dropped Kristen off. She was throwing up.
Yeah, really. She didn't come with me, but do it anyways.
He did say that he's with Jason and Gina's with Kristen. So that looks like horrible. Whatever.
Shit. Oh, what is that? Holy shit!
I'm drunk.
No, she's drunk.
Why did it jump over here? She's like,
Oh, they're dead. She probably should not drive.
No,
Yeah, you're not driving it.
especially since I shined the tires.
The whole tire?
Yeah.
You're not driving it.
Do some drifting.
Because you're way too drunk.
I'm trashed.
You know, I can take the shit around and keep her from driving. Just get him to it.
Don't blow it up either.
Yeah.
They're all together. Is there a window on the other side?
That's the key.
Where's the last one?
It's in the house.
there was a lot of
There's no rust? For real? Like no?
It's not.
Like really no rust?
Exhaust is on
Somebody
the
help!
other side.
Right away! We've got a problem! Somebody plugged in the antenna! I told them not to, but they forgot. Unplug it!
Yeah, they plug the antenna back in. Where do you unplug it at?
That side!
Yeah, I know. It's like, that's generally a pretty given. Everything hold it down.
When you are you? Have you?
We're going to put it above the 2.0, but
That was the time to do it.
yeah.
That's like the newest.
That's what we.
It's the newest 89 prelude ever.
That's what we thought would be the best.
Do you think it'll look good there?
Yeah.
Or do you think we should get it like brush finish, like the fucking M1?
How you doing that?
I don't care, do whatever you want. Yay! I'll do the like gold ring.
That looks
That's right.
Yay!
The only place you can put it is.
You gotta take one of these off.
here. Front of 2.0.
How you do that?
Right here.
Yeah. They even fixed the thing that went wrong right now.
Yeah.
tried that, but it looks really thin on that.
Look at this shit. That had overspray. We don't know how the fuck it happened.
It looks very
Is that holes behind
And not JDM.
Right.
How much
That
was
holes
the
behind
rest of the bill?
Yeah.
The antenna's unplugged.
There's 38 total?
It does.
Wow, those fucking holes through the rest of it.
Yeah, you got a deal. No, don't take that off.
Honey, they hold true to their estimate. I'm gonna mention their name in every fucking thing I do.
I think
McDonald's
this,
on the corner. They do.
on that point, it doesn't.
I know.
don't think it
McDonald's. Yeah, check this out. This is what I'm gonna show
level
you.
at the bottom.
Look how they don't even have those fucking putties sticking out or no fucking bullshit sticking out.
You want me to do it?
They did a really good job. Did you know?
Everybody knew.
I didn't know.
You would know, but I didn't know.
Who the fuck did you know?
Everybody knew.
I didn't know.
Okay, why do you think we were like, God, we don't want to wait here for half an hour? Let's just go drop Kristen.
I wouldn't have told you.
Fine.
Good call on that though.
Oh my god, my speaker box is even in there. Doesn't work.
Yeah. Your antenna's unplugged now.
Close it.
Oh, I need a new tenant.
Close that.
Close it.
Close that.
It's stuck. Oh, it's bent down.
Oh, it looks like crap.
So out of the book, but only one. Hey, look, guys, I'm drunk.
Ryan.
What?
Are views under the hood? Perfect.
So what did you know about this? Oh, Jesus.
Top of the hood.
Did you know? Did you know? Okay, Lord, I didn't know what I thought you were there. I'm really drunk.
I've been planning this.
Bert knows. Bert, I don't know if they could come up. Adam knew he was here.
I did in there, but it's
Chad knew.
He
They're out
knows
of
it's
town.
not.
Well, he's out of town.
I'm so
I didn't know
excited.
Eugene was showing up. I got some weird voicemail from him. Background voice.
Kristen at lunch today was like, God, I get my car back on Monday. And Ryan and I were like, yeah, you do. That's exciting.
They actually opened the trunk.
I got it from Honda. I got it. It was the last two in the country, one of the last two. That side we didn't have a quarter pail available for. Honda discontinued it and it sold out. And they stocked in new metal all the way around the whole entire wheel well. Have some restructured fender fender on the metal. I don't care if the CD's still in there and that's what I want to listen to. Song number 7, please. I haven't heard
Even
it
the
on
Civic has the spare fuse.
I don't know.
Radio.
Hey, you have to close that door with a little bit of girth. Like when you close it, you have to close it. Yeah, you're gonna blast it. There you go.
Why?
It needs to be adjusted a little bit.
All of the attendants are necessary.
Yeah, don't worry about it. That's okay.
What? Oh, shit, don't even act that way. Okay.
Don't take the ECU, Kristen.
Oh, I haven't. I do that every time I get the NSX.
Don't forget yourself.